Today we're gonna draw a spider. The paper I'm using is a drawing pad. It's a heavy weight. The pencil I'm using is the regular number 2 HB pencil. It's the regular yellow pencil. Any pencil is fine for this drawing. I did some study. It's about spider. This spider is called cardboard spider. And I will have the informations in the video descriptions. Also, you can click on the link to do more study of this species of spiders. First, we're gonna draw the bigger shape. We're gonna look at the body. Place the body right over here, okay? I'm gonna see where the leg is gonna come out from here. Just like that. Draw simple, okay? And the leg, maybe this leg at the front, closer to us, make it a little bit longer. And this leg is coming over here, like that. And this leg coming over there, okay, like that. Making sure the spaces between those legs is a little bit even. Draw another 2, like that. Okay, if you finish this step, woohoo, you are very good. The second step, we're gonna draw a little bit more detail now. If you're following me, just pause the video and finish your part. And before we continue, we're gonna divide the body into 2, like a 1 over here. That's not that big. This part looks like a circle. Hey, look like almost like a little egg-shaped circle. And this one is smaller circle, like that. You finished that already? That's good. If you finish this is great. Now we're gonna go into look at the leg. The leg has 3 portions. 1 here, 2, and 3. We're gonna divide it into 3. Can you divide it into 3? 1, 2, 3. Right? So the first part would be here, like that. And the second part, there is a connector between these 2 parts. The second part over here. A little smaller. And this is the last part, like that. And we're gonna do that for others. There's a little connector over here. There's one first part. Connector. The second part. And then the last part. Okay. And then do this one the same, a little connector. And looks similar to a crab, is it? And then the connector over here. And then a little bit tippy. Just let me know what would you like to learn to draw. Okay, and the top over here look like a little bit ladybug and a little shell, like that. A little bit over here. They're showing how the shape turns. Okay, that's good. Now we can erase the preliminary line that we don't want to keep. Okay, that's good. What are we going to do next? We're going to turn it into a beautiful drawing with colors. I'm using these pen brushes. You can get a simple set. I will have the link in the video descriptions. There's 3 colors. You can see the tip over here is one is a light gray color, one is black, one is the dark gray color. I'm gonna use the dark color first, so I'm gonna use the black color. Let's first do the body. Okay, like this. That's good, right? Here you go. That's good. Right, if you want, you can have a little bit kind of hairy feeling, but we can do that a little bit later. Now I'm gonna fill it in and leave a little bit light color here. Okay, we're gonna continue to the head. Okay, I'm gonna leave a little gap over here and leave the area that is going to be lighter. So I'm going to use the lighter color to do the lighter area. Like that. That's good. Now we finish the head. Now I'm going to come into the leg. Now let's see. 1. And then push it a little bit darker, a little bit harder. Right? Push it. Can you do it 1 time and finish that? That would be great. And I'm gonna leave a little bit lighter in the middle over here. So I'm gonna make it look like 3-dimensional. Okay, and connect that. And then finish 1. That's good. Let's continue over here. Now coming on this side. And then we're gonna come in from small to big, like that. Now we're gonna use a middle tone color, this dark gray color. I'm gonna use continue that get a little bit darker. So that's how we create the transition from dark to small, right? And we also use the lighter color to finish the lightest touch. So now I'm going to use this lighter color, the light gray color. Now I'm going to use, now here you go. Now finish. If you do it a few more times, it'll make it look darker, right? Like this. I'm going to make it a little bit hairy. Ooh, that's scary. Yeah, it's going to make it a little hairy. Over here too, like that. That looked like a little hairy, right? That's good. Also gonna fill in the gap between the body and the head, like that. And if you really dare, you can make a little cast shadow. So I'm gonna use just this light color. That. Now look like, ooh, the spider right in front of us. A little bit cast shadow, like that, on this side. If you like this kind of drawing, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends and families. I'm gonna continue doing more and more into this series. Please look into the video description for the link to study more about this spider. In the video description, also you will have a link to download this drawing guide to help you to follow the step-by-step to draw this spider. After you finish your drawing, you can come to my Facebook page, Relaxation Art, to post your artwork. I would like to see them. on Instagram. This is my Instagram account. I will see you in my next video.